Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and I want to show you how to remove the rear taillights on your Ford F-150. This is going to be applicable basically starting in 2015 up to current model year. You're just going to have two bolts right here, and we're using a 5/16 ratchet, and loosen these up, take them out. That's the only hardware that you need to remove, and we're just going to pull this backwards. There's two studs in the side here that are just going to need to come out. So here's those two studs that you're pulling out. Locations up here, and another one right here. And so you've got your bulbs, all of that. On the driver's side, if you need to replace your shock for your tailgate, or you need access for your ladder rack like we do here to attach it to through our stake pocket, you can do all that. Now, if you're looking for any equipment for your truck or van to get it ready for work, be sure to check us out, upfitsupply.com. My name is Ryan. Have a good one.